When selling internationally, there are a few things you need to bear in mind. Firstly, it takes longer to deliver products internationally. You may wish to extend your delivery times. A local's return address is mandatory. They cannot return the products to your home country. The delivery timescales are set under Settings, Shipping Settings, and then Shipping Templates. If you select a template, then edit it, you can set the transit time here. It is best to be realistic about the transit times for your international orders. Return settings are set under Orders, Manage Returns, Return Settings, and Return Address Settings. Here you can set a separate return address for each country. So for example, here for France, there's a specific French return address. Here for Spain, there's a specific Spanish return address. There are a few other considerations you must bear in mind when selling internationally. Amazon requires that products are delivered duty paid. So the customer should not receive any kind of duty bill when the item is sent to them. Not all couriers can support this. When sending items, you have the choice of different mail services. Amazon does not specifically require you to send items tracked internationally, so you have the choice of a mail service, airmail, or a tracked service. Airmail is an awful lot cheaper, but as it is not tracked, it causes more customer service issues, and that's something you need to consider. When doing customer service, you will need to do customer service in the native language. You can either hire a company to do this, employ your own native language speaker, or Google Translate works surprisingly well. The final thing to consider is payments. Amazon will take funds in the local currency. You then have the choice of allowing Amazon to transfer that into your home currency account. So for example, you would be selling in dollars and Amazon would transfer that into your UK account in pounds, but Amazon will not give you a very good rate. Alternatively, you can use a third-party service such as Payoneer, where they will provide you with a currency account. So you could, for example, sell in euros, have that transferred into the Payoneer euro account, and Payoneer will do the transfer into your home bank account at a better rate. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.